In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WordPress for free. Whether you're a budding blogger or looking to create a simple website without the cost, WordPress is a fantastic platform to consider. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your very own site up and running, and the best part? It won't cost you a penny. So, let's dive right in. To start, you need to head to wordpress.com, the official WordPress website. This is where thousands of people begin their web journey every day, and it's the first step toward building your free website. Once you're there, you'll see a big inviting button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to continue with an email, Google, or Apple ID. This makes signing up super convenient, especially if you're already logged into one of these accounts. Just remember, choosing an email that you regularly check is important because it will also serve as your primary point of contact for any updates from WordPress. After entering your login details, you'll be asked to choose a domain name. This is basically the name of your site on the internet, like a web address. It's important to pick something that's unique, relevant to your content, and, importantly, available for free. WordPress will guide you through this process, showing available options and helping you find a catchy domain name that suits your needs. Remember, sticking to free domains, usually ending in wordpress.com, will keep your site completely cost-free. Once you have your domain picked, the next step is to choose your plan. You'll see an array of options, each offering different features and levels of customization. However, since we're aiming for a free setup today, you'll want to select the free plan option. This plan provides you with all the basic tools necessary to run your site effectively without any expenses. Before you know it, you'll have your very own WordPress site. From here, you can start customizing the look and feel to make it your own. WordPress provides plenty of free themes and plugins to help you tailor everything to your liking. Remember, while free WordPress sites offer an excellent starting point, as your site grows, you might want to explore their premium options for added features. However, using this method, you're now ready to start sharing your voice with the world thanks to WordPress's free offerings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get WordPress for free and start your web journey today. Thank you for watching, and happy